Hey there, this is Andy with Go Big Printing and Print Genie. Let me show you how easy it is to go fishing in a barrel. So I live here in San Diego. So this is the area I want to mark it in. So I'll just type that in and it'll map it out. So there's San Diego. If I zoom out a little bit, you can see it better. So that's my neck of the woods, right? So I live right around here. So I want to buy properties in this area. So what I'll do really conveniently is click on Quick Lists for investors. And there's a bunch of pre-created filter sets that you can choose from. I choose pre-foreclosures. I add that criteria. So you'll notice I'm going to go from 372,000 people in my county. By adding that pre-foreclosure, it brings me right down to 201. Now that's 201 people that could use my service, right? So how do I market to them? I can export it, send them a postcard. You know the results on that. But wouldn't it be better if I can market to them with my services, of which they could use my services at night while I'm sleeping, but not just hit them once, but hit them 3, 4, 5, 6 times, text and emails, letters and postcards. Let me show you exactly how you can do this too at night while you're sleeping.